Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B29A8, associated with the Honda Accord 2023 and newer models, indicates a specific issue within the mode control motor circuit, linkage, door, or the motor itself. This code is triggered when the climate control unit detects a voltage input from the rear mode control motor that falls outside of its designated target range. The rear mode control motor plays a crucial role in regulating the direction and distribution of air from the climate control system, thereby affecting cabin comfort levels. You can find the rear mode control motor located within the HVAC assembly, typically accessible from the rear passenger area. Its proper functioning is essential not only for comfort, but also for the effectiveness of the overall climate control system. Consequently, troubleshooting this DTC involves multiple components, namely the rear mode control motor, the external circuits, and potentially the climate control unit itself. DTC B29A8 indicates a fault in the mode control motor affecting several components. The rear mode control motor is primarily responsible for adjusting airflow direction within the vehicle's cabin. The climate control unit connects to this motor and interprets input signals to control temperature and airflow. When there is a malfunction, an input voltage anomaly from the rear mode control motor could signal issues such as open circuits, short circuits, or internal motor problems. The rear mode control motor is commonly located within the rear section of the vehicle, specifically near the HVAC unit. A failure in this system can lead to a significant drop in the climate control effectiveness, undermining passenger comfort. Various factors may lead to DTC B29A8 being triggered. Firstly, the rear mode control motor itself may fail due to wear and tear or malfunctioning internal components. Secondly, there could be wiring issues, such as shorts or broken wires in the MRV open and MRV close circuits, preventing proper communication between the motor and climate control unit. Lastly, if other inspections yield normal results, yet the error persists, it is likely that the climate control unit is malfunctioning, causing it to interpret data incorrectly. Understanding each of these possible causes is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. Identifying the symptoms associated with DTC B29A8 can provide immediate insights into the issue. Owners may notice that the climate control system becomes unresponsive, thereby failing to adjust the temperature or respond to user inputs correctly. Additionally, inconsistent air distribution within the cabin can lead to discomfort, as air may not flow as intended from vents. Drivers may also see that error codes related to the climate control system are being displayed on the dashboard. Collectively, these symptoms can significantly detract from the driving experience, making it essential to take action as soon as they arise. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B29A8 involves powering on the vehicle. Once the ignition is in the on position, it's essential to carry out a self-diagnostic function, either using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS or directly via the climate control unit itself. This self-diagnostic feature helps verify existing error codes and assess current system functionality. It serves as a preliminary check, allowing technicians to gather valuable data before delving deeper into manual inspections. This initial step sets the stage for a thorough investigation of related components and systems, while establishing a baseline for any observed anomalies. The second step in the troubleshooting process focuses on testing the rear mode control motor. Begin by disconnecting the rear mode control motor connector, specifically the 5P connector. After disconnection, perform a continuity test or check the motor functionality. Following this, inspect the external circuits associated with the MRV open and MRV close parameters. loose or damaged wiring can lead to improper motor function and should be addressed accordingly. Finally, inspect the climate control unit itself. If the previous tests indicate that both the motor and circuits are operational, the climate control unit may require replacement or repair based on its test results. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC B29A8, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to ensure that all issues have been rectified. Start by confirming that all repairs were successful and that any replaced or repaired components are functioning correctly. Then, proceed to clear any stored DTCs retrieved during the initial diagnostic phase. This action resets the climate control system's state, allowing for fresh readings. Lastly, conduct a comprehensive test of the system's functionality, confirming that the rear mode control motor and the climate control unit are now communicating effectively, thus restoring proper airflow direction and cabin conditions. Preventive maintenance is vital in avoiding future occurrences of DTC B29A8. Regular inspections of the climate control unit and rear mode control motor can catch potential issues before they escalate. Monitoring climate control performance during routine vehicle checkups ensures that any anomalies can be addressed early on. Additionally, a periodic inspection of the wiring and connections related to the rear mode control motor can prevent electrical failures, ensuring that signals are transmitted effectively. Staying proactive in maintenance can lead to consistent performance and extend the life of both the climate control system and the vehicle as a whole. In conclusion, DTC B29A8 indicates a significant issue within the Honda Accord's climate control system, particularly regarding the rear mode control motor. Understanding how each component functions and interacts is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. The troubleshooting steps, identified as crucial, include performing tests on the rear mode control motor, external circuits, and the climate control unit. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance practices, such as regular inspections, can greatly enhance system reliability and prevent issues before they become problematic. By adhering to these guidelines, owners can ensure their climate control system operates efficiently, providing comfort during all driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.